Designed with the most advanced comfort features including a reclined angle for neck and shoulder support and high sideboards to decrease turbulence. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Can be switched from one bike to another in seconds, easy on, easy off the bike push-down button multi-fix system. All 3 seat mounting types have a quick release feature with the yellow button releasing the seat from the mount. Number 2. Mounted bracket. With just a quick press of the yellow button, the seat can be removed so you can ride your bike without it, or so you can transfer the seat to another bracket bike. The bracket can also be transferred to another bike but requires more tools than using the quick release feature. Number 3. Adjustable footrests. With a quick release and straps, the footrests can be easily adjusted up and down to accommodate different sized passengers. Number 4. Lightweight at 7.25 pounds, water resistant, and washable. Number 5. Quick release push button allows for the quick removal of the seat from your bicycle. Number 6. Safety first with wider, safer leg and foot side protection, a childproof and parent-friendly safety buckle, 3-point safety harness, and secure mounting. Number 7. Max weight 50 pounds. Fits round seat tubes of 25 to 46 mm or oval seat tubes 30 to 60 mm. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.